because like as I took like several of the mock tests, so when I was giving my exam for the first time, I was like relaxed and
Yep.
chilled.
Yep.
And also I would like to say that the practice lab in Ale Academy also was a game changer for me. Anyone who is looking for a perfect score in PTE, the first step I would recommend them is to join Ale Academy, because like as I was taking my test for the first time,
Mhm.
and even with short time limit of like I had like just 2 weeks to prepare, and
Yep.
I still got 90. So I would recommend you guys to join Ale Academy and take their classes, and also get a perfect score like me.
Hey everybody, what a great day. I've got Ramita with me. Perfect 90 in PT, 90 listening, 90 speaking, 90 writing, 84 in reading. Congratulations, Ramita. Very well done.
Thank you so much.
Ramita, I've seen you working so hard when you were coming on campus, practicing whole day in the lab. What does it takes to get a perfect score like 90, that too in such a short period of time?
Yeah, so the first thing I would say is the proper guidance, because
Mm-hmm.
like as I was taking my PTE exam for the first time, I had like no prior knowledge,
Yep.
and I was like little bit nervous what to expect in the exam,
Yep.
and then I didn't know like what I would do in the PTE exam, so I just went to LA Academy, booked classes, and then through their guidance and then feedback, and then the personalized the preparation
Yep.
strategy were given to me,
Yep.
so that
Yep.
helped me a lot to gain this
Yep.
90 score. So it was all possible because of the classes and guidance.
That's good. That's good. See, it's very important as she has mentioned that you have the right guidance. Speed is not a very straightforward test. Everything is interconnected. For example, your speaking section is going to give you points in listening. Your reading section will contribute in your writing. So it's important to understand what is important in PT, what you have to focus on, and that is what she has done. First attempt 19 PT. See, writing is 90 and speaking is 90. Any tips, any strategies for 90 score in writing and in speaking?
Yes, I would like to say that as I was like taking it for the first time,
Yep.
all I did was follow the tips and then the feedbacks that were provided by LA Academy.
Mm-hmm.
Because apart from that, I didn't know about PTE exam, what to
Uh-huh.
write.
Uh-huh.
So I just followed it, the tips and then the templates that were given to me
Oh,
for
yes.
speaking as well. The personalized feedback,
Uh-huh.
as like there were expert tutors giving me feedback and step by step guidance every day in the classes, so
Yep.
that made a huge improvement and difference in getting such a high score.
Mm.
And same for writing, as I scored like 90. It is all because I followed the template and then the guidance received for their vocabulary, grammar, it all because of the expert like trainers.
That's so nice of you guys. Remember, till date, templates are working a perfect 19 speaking and writing, that to using the templates. But it's not just about the template. She has practiced a lot. She has taken feedback for the templates she was using and made sure she is doing it the right way. So remember, templates can still get you the scores, but you need to make sure you use the templates properly and hit the right areas. Ramita, you have taken a number of mock tests, right? How important are mock tests for the PT test?
I think it's like it will make a really huge difference, because
Mm-hmm.
like it will prepare as a student, like if even if you are taking it for the first time
Yeah.
or you are retaking the exam, it will prepare you in the like real exam setting. So
Mm-hmm.
it will build up your confidence while in the exam as well, because like as I took like several of the mock tests, so when I
Mm-hmm.
was giving my exam for the first time, I was like relaxed and
Yep.
chilled during my exam as well. So it really made a huge difference.
Yep.
And also, I would like to say that the practice lab in Ale Academy also was a game changer for me, because like I went there, practice every day, and then the environment made me like gave me the confidence in the exam.
Yep. That's completely right. It's very important you expose yourself to the exam like scenario before you actually take the test. so that there are no surprises on the test day. For example, when you go and take your test, you'll have a lot of people speaking around at the same time. And if you are not familiar with the similar scenario, if you're not familiar with this scenario, you'll be shocked and surprised and you'll not know how to perform. But when you take the mock test at the academy, you'll have the same scenario, and on the test day, there will be no surprises and you'll be able to give your 100%. Any final tips, any advice for students out there, please?
Yeah, because anyone who is looking for a perfect score in PTE, the first step I would recommend them is to join LA Academy. Because like as I was taking my test for the first time, and
Mhm.
even with short time limit of like I had like just 2 weeks to prepare, and
Yeah.
I still got 90. So I would recommend you guys to join LA Academy and take their classes, and also get a perfect score like me.
Thank you. Thank you. That's so nice of you guys. Remember, if she has done it, it is a lot of her hard work and our guidance. It's not that we just gave her the templates and she got the scores. She worked hard. She was there practicing every day. And then on top of that, when you get expert guidance, you get a perfect 90 in PT. Remember, if she has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Thank you, Ramita, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
guys. That's it from this video. Remember, you can do it as well. Just give your 100%.